The park post comes with a post base, 4 underground stability fins, enclosure, instructions, various adapter plates, 2 slide stabilizers, a hardware and accessory bag, the top slide cover, and if you have the kitted version, a 15-amp weather-resistant GFCI receptacle. The base park post model doesn't include a receptacle, so the choice of devices is at the installer's discretion. Just make sure GFCI protection is provided upstream on the circuit if not installing a GFCI in the post itself. Prepare for install by doing a site survey to determine the preferred location for the park post. Consider landscaping and power needs when identifying the exact placement and orientation of the post. Prior to digging, have underground utilities located and marked. In the U.S., this is done by calling 811. This installation is for a qualified person in accordance with national and local electrical codes. Start by digging a hole for the post approximately 10 inches in diameter by 12 inches deep. Trench and run supply line from the electrical service to the hole. We're using PVC conduit, so our trench needs to be at least 18 inches deep. Always follow the electric codes for your area when determining the required depth for underground conduit and appropriate conductor. And of course, as with any electrical work, disconnect the power during the installation. Now we can assemble the fin supports and secure it to the lower part of the post using the 4 number 6 5/16 screws. Then set the post into the hole over the conduit. This installation has 2 conduits, so remove the 1/2-inch knockout from the bottom of the enclosure. Next, feed the wires into the enclosure and secure the fittings. Now we can connect the enclosure to the post by sliding together and inserting the set pin in the hole in the back. It will take some effort to fully seat the pin, so it snaps in flush with the surface. We use the back of the screwdriver handle, but a few precision taps with a mallet is a suitable option too, mainly avoiding any tools that could mar the plastic head. Then install the 2 stabilizers in the center track and secure everything together with 2 more set pins. Next, backfill the hole enough to support the post so your hands are freed up for the device installation. Wire the device per manufacturer's instructions. For a faster install, mount the device and adapters at the same time using just the device mounting screws. Alternatively, the device could be installed first and the adapter plates installed afterwards with the included screws. Now lower the slide cover down, aligning with the channels on the enclosure until it completely closes around the T-heads of the stabilizers. Then insert the last 2 set pins, pushing or tapping them to snap in place. And finish things off by inserting the splash guard into the cord port to protect against weather or pests. And lastly, backfill the hole using a level to confirm the post stays as vertical as possible while packing the hole. That's it! Turn the power back on and start enjoying convenient access to power in your outdoor space.